you can see, these are growers here. Yeah. If you want to start a new farm, you can start up with them. And as you can see among them, like I said the other time in my last video, we have the Duroc among them. You can see the Duroc there and another one here. But these are they comprise of large whites, land race, and then the Duroc. So these are
So if
quality
you want to
pieces.
start up pig farming,
If
you
you want to
can,
go for the grower
yeah,
or the winner,
yeah.
whichever you can choose,
Okay.
you can select from here.
Wow.
So
That's
we
nice.
have Duroc among them. Yes,
Yes, I
Duroc,
can
two of
see
them.
them.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you.